All right, today we're going to look at the modulus operator again, but we're going to combine that with the compound operator. So we can create a compound modulus operator, which is really kind of cool. So we talked about modulus before. If we're looking for, let's say we want to determine if this is an even number or something like that, we can do x mod y. So we're really looking at the remainder. And in this case, we could tell that this is an even number because there's not going to be a remainder with this. And if I run this, it'll just come out with 0. So if I run this, x mod 2, it's going to come out with 0. Well, what we can also do in place of this, so I'm going to actually print the x, and then up here I'm going to say that x is mod equal y. Okay, and in this instance, what it's going to do is take that x, and it's going to mod this and use the modular division, and basically come up with a number here, right? So x is going to become whatever that number is. So in this case, it'd be 0, right? If we run this, it's going to print x here, and it's 0. So then x becomes whatever that is. So it becomes 0 in this case. And we can check this. Let's say we're going to do 5 instead. In this case, we're going to end up with a remainder of 1, right? Because 2 goes into 5 2 times, you end up with a remainder of 1. So this should print out 1, and we would know that this is obviously an odd number too, because that's really what you're going to use modulus division a lot of times to find and determine whether it's an even or an odd number. So if we run this again, this is going to come out with 1. Okay, so this is just kind of a useful tool. You don't have to do it this way. You could do it the other way that we had here before, where we do x mod y. It would print the same thing, but perhaps what we want to do is we want this variable to change, right? We don't want it to stay this, so it's going to become whatever the remainder is of this for whatever you want to do with your program. It's just kind of a useful tool. Okay, all right, hopefully that helps you. Good luck.